cars come out and buy us
Things
bagged
like
up.
this next door.
Yeah.
Is that oil?
Well, people work there, so I have to go to the shop
Yeah,
down the road.
Where's it gone?
That bit there. See where they've got like a little box and then a ladder going up. If you click on the box, find the mouse and click on the box, it will tell you how big the cloud is and stuff. So it'll give you tops, base, and a few other bits and pieces.
Tyre mountain.
Oh, that's weird.
Brokeback tyre mountain. Start snorting, that's it. I'm going to be snorting for the rest of the holiday.
This is going to be smell earlier.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
That's the farm over there.
There's a great big dairy farm there.
Farms in there, yeah.
Loads of cows in there, yeah.
Christ. And they're,
Oh,
eating,
that's
they're eating whatever was under the tyre mountain.